Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can ask the artificial intelligence on Comet AI Browser to summarize specific websites for you. For example, if you don't have, are not in the mood, for example, to read the entire website content, you can ask Perplexity AI, for example, and the Comet AI web browser to summarize all of that for you really quickly, so that you don't have to read all of it. So guys, this is how you can do it. Open the Comet AI web browser, and this built-in feature can be found in the top right corner. Let me navigate to specific website for demonstration purposes, like this one here. And what you want to do, guys, is simply hover your mouse over that URL address here, and here you will see this option here between the copy URL and the voice mode feature. This one here, summarize the current web page. Click into it or use the shortcut Alt-S. And after that, Comet AI, or Perplexity in this case here, because Comet AI is run by Perplexity, you will see a summarize of that website or page you're currently at. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. You can turn off the assistant anytime or ask follow-up questions for specific, about the page you're currently at, about the content, and so on and so forth. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.